Hi everyone. So I was having some technical difficulties. Hopefully this time I stay. Give me some hearts. Anything like that. My internet is being funky. Um, Hold on, I'm comments. Anyway, so today my training is on the host exclusive starter kit. It says I've got a couple people watching, so hopefully I'm actually on here and not just talking to myself like I was a little bit ago. Um, we heard earlier today from our waxy cat, Miss Lisa, about um, we heard about the host exclusive starter kit, and I want to get started. Sorry, I'm a little crazy because my internet totally went out like right when I was supposed to start. Anyway, the host exclusive starter kit. In the caption to this video, I posted a link. It's to a YouTube video I did a couple years ago, I think. But it's a really good video for visual learners. So if you want to see what I'm talking about as I do it, that's a really good video for you. But it's a little bit more advanced if you have no idea what the host exclusive starter kit is. So I'm going to tell you all about the host exclusive starter kit and what you can do, and then go check that video out. I also posted the link to a couple resources in our training center as well for that host exclusive starter kit. So first question is, what is the host exclusive starter kit? Basically, when you join Sensi, it's $99. You join, you become a consultant, right? Well, some people can't afford $99. So Sensi came up with a way for people to earn the kit. So they would host a party first, and then once they got to $200, then they could use their rewards from their party to buy a discounted kit. That kit is $59, but you have to have a qualifying party to get it. So if you're using host rewards, the kit, if you do a $200 party, is $39. If you get to a $500 party, it's a free kit and you can completely join for free. So if you have a customer or a host who hosts a party and she gets to $500, then you absolutely want to offer her the kit because she can join for free and get $59 out of her $75 rewards will go towards the kit, and she'll get all of the good stuff in the kit. She'll still get the rest of her half price rewards, and then she'll also get $100 to $125 in commission depending on how much her party is, or what the PRV on her party is. So she's going to get commission on top of it. And when you offer it to somebody like that, they're usually really likely to join. And as Lisa said, always, always, always choose somebody joining your team over keeping them as a customer and keeping that PRV for yourself. I know it's hard to give up that PRV, but trust me, building a team is so much harder. So anytime somebody is willing to join, let them join your team. Okay, so that's what it is. It's basically a way to earn your kit instead of buy your kit. Okay, why? Why is this a good option instead of just buying your kit, right? It makes it so anyone can join Sensi. If you're struggling, single mom, whatever, don't have the money for Christmas, but you want to earn money for Christmas presents, this makes it so that you can join and there's no risk. I mean, if you earn your kit for free, you literally are putting nothing but a little bit of your time into joining Sensi, and there's no risk for you. You're never going to be out that $100. So it's a great, great opportunity for people, especially people with lower income or those go-getters. If you have a host that's just always doing those $500 parties, get her in on this host exclusive kit because then she can earn commission on all the stuff she's already doing. Okay? Next is the how. This is when we get into the meat and potatoes, okay? The way it's set up, basically you get a host, they do a party. Once their party is qualified, they use the rewards from the party, and I already said this, to buy a kit and become a consultant. That's how it's set up. But here's the fun part. You can give that kit to anybody. So if you talk to your host and your host says, I don't really want to join. I'm just really too busy for it. I don't have time. I don't want to do it, whatever. Then you can give it to somebody else. You can give it to somebody from the party. You can give it to your neighbor. You can give it to whoever you want, and it won't affect the host. Let me give you an example. Your host, let's call your host Amy. Amy hosts a party. She does $500 in sales. Okay, so she's got $75 worth of free product. She's eligible now for a $59 host exclusive starter kit. You talk to her about it. She's like, nope, not doing it, whatever. You then go into her party page, if you have a party page, however she's doing the party, if it's a live party, however. You go in and you tell everybody that was a guest at her party that Amy was able to unlock a one-time special on a host exclusive starter kit where anybody who wants to join can join for $59 instead of $99. Okay? So somebody, say Betty, says that she wants to join with that $59. You charge Betty $59, then you go in, change Betty to the host because you have to make, whoever's taking the kit has to be set as the host. So change Betty to the host, but keep it as Amy's shipping address. Okay? Then you put in all the orders that are already paid for online or whatever will stay, but you will have to redo your carts that weren't paid for yet when you change the host. So change the host, and then you go into the rewards. Now, I've heard several different people train differently on this, and I'm going to tell you the right way, and then I'm going to tell you why it's the right way. When you go into the host, when you're doing this, you're not giving the host the kit, you're giving somebody else the kit. You go into rewards, and you put the kit in first, okay? Because you don't get any PRV for that kit, all right? Your host still has, Amy still has $75 worth of free product, okay? The kit is about $60, okay? You will hear a lot of people say to put in $74 worth of free product and then put the kit in last because then just the overage of the kit will be what you owe. The same is true for regular priced product. The product that Amy wants for free, her rewards, right? So if you put the kit in for $60, you have about $15 left, okay? Put in something from her rewards that's $15 and finish that out. When you take the rest of the $60 worth of product that Amy wants and go put that as retail, you're going to use the money that Betty's paying for the kit, the $60 that Betty's paying for the kit, you're going to use that to pay for Amy's rewards. But you get PRV on those rewards now. So $60 adds another 15% free product to Amy's rewards. So now you can throw in a free counter cleaner for Amy and just say, here, this is for me. Thanks for hosting a party. Because you did it that way instead of putting the kit last. If the overage comes from, if the overage on the rewards comes from stuff that has PRV, you're going to get more commission and Amy is going to get more rewards. And you can just pick something for her. You can tell her, hey, you have an extra $10, $15 worth of rewards and give it to her. It's a much better way to do it. It's better for you. It's better for Amy. It's better for everybody. Okay? And again, I know that probably seems confusing on how to do that, but go watch the video that I posted in the link and you can see the training and you can see me actually go through it step by step on my workstation and tell you how to do it, okay? So say nobody in the party wants it. Nobody in the party wants to join for the $59. Then you have what's a kit list. This is where you've talked to everybody and their brother at every party you've ever been to. Anybody who is even the slightest bit interested in joining Scentsy, even if they may have told you no, but you still think they'd make a great Scentsy consultant. This is when you're going to go to those people and offer them and say, hey, I have an opportunity for a $59 kit instead of a $99 kit. Would you be interested in that? See if anybody says yes and charge them the $59 for the kit. Okay? Now, I personally do a lot of events. So I'm constantly, when I go to an event, say I go to a weekend event and I sell $1,500 worth of stuff at the event. That's that's 3 parties, okay? So I'm going to put all that money back in as a party to order more product for the next event and have 3 parties, okay? I can use those rewards for myself, and I absolutely will if I need to, but I would much rather have a team member. So I go to that kit list that I've made and I say, hey, I did an event this weekend. It went really well. I have a kit that I can bless somebody with. And I have the choice. I can charge them any price between $59 and free for that kit. So if it's somebody I know is really struggling but wants to do Scentsy, I'll give it to them for free and give them the opportunity to try this at no risk, completely free. And I tell people when I do that, I say, listen, you get everything you need, free website, everything you need for 3 months. All I ask is that you genuinely try for 3 months to do this. If it's not for you after that, great, do what you want. You only have to put an order in once a year. Do your thing. But for 3 months, I really want you to try. Are you willing to do that? If you are, I'll give you the kit for free. We're actually supposed to say, give it to you for 0 out-of-pocket cost instead of free. If you're talking one-on-one, say it however you want, though. Some people get mixed up by the 0 out-of-pocket cost. If you're offering it publicly, which is where I go after my kit list, if nobody from my kit list wants to take me up on it, I will offer it publicly and say, I have the opportunity to bless somebody with a discounted Scentsy join kit or a free or a 0 out-of-pocket join kit so that they can join Scentsy and try this opportunity for themselves or something like that. You just have to be a little careful in your wording. Don't say free. And then see if there's somebody on your friends list that randomly wants to join and give it a try. It's worked for me multiple times, especially if you do it like on a business page, if you have a Scentsy business page where you don't even know who your followers are versus your personal page. So here's the thing. This is why the host exclusive kit works so well for me. Every single party, every single qualified party should have somebody joining your team using that host exclusive starter kit. It doesn't matter if you hosted the party, if it was a launch party, it doesn't matter if it was event stock that you're rebuying for the next event, it doesn't matter if it was a really great host, it doesn't matter. Every single qualified party, you can give that host exclusive starter kit to somebody. You just have to change the host. As long as you're charging them the $59, then your regular host isn't going to miss out. If you're the host, then it's up to you whether or not you're going to give up $59 worth of your rewards for somebody to join your team. I check the yes box on that every single time. I am more than happy to give up $59 worth of free Scentsy in order to get somebody on my team, because that team member potentially has the potential to make me a lot more money than $59. Amanda Kearns is another director. She's one of my downline directors. She joined with $99. I don't think she got a host exclusive starter kit, but I would 100% give up my $59 worth of free Scentsy product to have an Amanda Kearns on my team, and I've had several people on my team that have made it well worth giving them that $59 kit out of rewards that I earned myself. So, offer it to your host first, offer it to party guests second, offer it to anybody on your kit list. This is previous contacts that you've made anywhere at any time, and then offer it publicly last. Be careful offering it publicly, that you use the correct wording. Another thing I wanted to touch on is shipping. So when you use the host exclusive starter kit, as soon as you put it in the cart under rewards, it immediately, as soon as you put it in, you don't have to close it or anything like that. As soon as you put the kit in your cart, it sends an email to your host, whoever you have listed as your host. It sends an email to them. They have 24 hours to sign up, or that email expires and then you have to do it again or pick a different host or whatever you do. When they fill out that email, one of the questions is, what's your shipping address? So even if they have a completely different shipping address than where the party is getting shipped to, the host exclusive starter kit will ship to whatever address they put in the email, okay? And it will ship for free. There's no charge on shipping for that kit, okay? So the kit ships separately and it ships for free. So back to my little example I had, Amy hosted the party. but then Betty wanted to use the host exclusive starter kit. I go in and I change it so that Betty's the host, okay? And Amy is just a guest with her own cart. I still have the whole party set to ship to Amy, and she gets all the rewards, but it says that the rewards are going to Betty, okay? When Betty fills out the email, the host exclusive starter kit ships to her because of the address she put on her email, and then Amy will get whatever is left from the shipping. So Amy's shipping charge shouldn't change at all by changing that. If she got free shipping because she's over 350, that won't change. It'll still be at 350 because that host exclusive doesn't make a difference at all. Her being the actual host doesn't make a difference at all. As long as she's set, as shipping is set to ship to her, it won't matter that somebody else is listed as the host. It'll still ship to her for free or at a discounted price depending on what her shipping costs are set at. Big thing to remember, whoever is joining, whoever is taking the kit, they must be set as the host. I sure hope this is recording. I'm having lots of issues with my internet tonight. If not, if this isn't recording and you can't see this or it's blurry or whatever, definitely click the link and watch the one on YouTube. It's not bad. I think I'm going to wrap up. That's all I got for you for the host exclusive starter kit. If you have questions, post them in the thread. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And there's a lot of people in here, Lisa's another one, that have used Tracy. We've all used that host exclusive starter kit in our sponsoring of our team. So we're pretty good at it and can answer a lot of questions on it. We got a couple more people. Nicole is next up tonight and she should be here any minute. And you guys have a great night. Bye.